Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making banana pudding, and here are the ingredients that we need. The first thing we're going to do is prepare our pudding, and all we need is 2 cups of milk for this. So the first thing we're going to do is pour in our packet of instant pudding mix, and then add 2 cups of milk. And then we're going to mix. You can whisk this to mix it, or you can use an electric mixer. I'm going to use an electric mixer and mix this for 1 minute. After you mix this for 1 minute, it's gotten a little thick. You want to add this tub of whipped topping. And once you have this mixed up, set it to the side. Now chop up your bananas. Now line your dish with vanilla wafers. We're going to layer this. Now put your bananas in. Line your dish with your bananas. And now we're going to put some pudding on top. Now we're putting some pudding on top. Now add another layer. Put some more bananas down. Add another layer of pudding. Now add your final layer. You can put some along the sides. Now add the pudding on top. Use all the rest of your pudding. And then as a garnish, add some crushed cookies on top. And there you have it, banana pudding. Now put this in the refrigerator and let this sit for about an hour and it'll be ready to serve. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell for future videos, and don't forget, have fun cooking.